Hey friends, welcome to math today. Today's Tuesday. We didn't have school yesterday, so today's the first day of the school week. So I'm just trying to think about what today actually is. Today is Tuesday, January 19th. Okay, January 19th. Here I have the hundreds chart, and I've colored the evens red and the odds yellow. Let's count by evens first. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I don't know about you guys at home, but at school, we're better at counting by evens. We've done it more times. So the odds are a little harder. So I'm going to wait for just a second. I want you to do the evens by yourself. So the red numbers. Ready? Go. Let's try the odds. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. One more time. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Okay, so we've learned plus 2. Plus 2 means if it says 1 plus 2, you're just taking the number that's not 2 and skipping to the next odd number. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Watch. 1, 2, 3. 9 plus 2. Skip to the next odd number. 11. 17 plus 2 equals, skip to the next odd number, 19. If you're doing evens, 4 plus 2 equals 4. Add 2 to it. Skip to the next even, 6. 18 plus 2 equals, skip to the next even number, 20. So we've done plus 2. Minus 2 is the opposite. So if we were to say, what's 6 minus 2? We skipped backwards to the even number before 6. So that would be 4. See? I went backwards. What's 18 minus 2? Go backwards to the even number we said before 18. 16. It's kind of tricky because you have to think backwards. You can also just count 2 backwards in your mind. So if you said, what's 8 minus 2? 8, 7, 6. So you have to be able to count backwards. Ready? 14, 13, 12. So if you need to practice counting backwards and forwards, your evens and odds at home, that might be very helpful. Let's go ahead and do first our math facts together. I'm going to say it and do it with you today. There's no test this week, so let's see if we can practice getting these really good in our heads, okay? Remember the flashcards that I sent home? If you practice these a lot, when you go to do your math facts, they'll be pretty easy, right? Because you have already memorized them. So I'm going to say it with you. I want you to see if you can say the number before me. Ready? 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 8 equals 8 plus 2 equals 10. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Next row. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 7, take the 7, skip to the next odd. 2 plus 7, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 9 plus 2 equals, take the 9, skip to the next odd. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Third row. 8 minus 0 equals 8. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Last row. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And 4 minus 0 equals 4. All right. Next paper. I have this here. So here's the thing. We're starting to copy. We are starting to copy 2 sides to the worksheet. The one that we're always going to do together is side A. Side B is also going to be on the other side. We are offering what we're calling optional homework. So if you do side B and you turn it back in, for every side B that you turn in, then like the kids will bring it to school and they'll get a little something special. We'll probably do like gummy bears or something the first week. So for every one of these you turn in that you do alone or with your mom and dad, but you turn it back in, you'll get one too, okay? So if you do any of these, they're just extra practice. You don't have to do them, but you'll get a little something. I will email your moms and dads more information so they know exactly what to do there. Okay, on this side, we're gonna write our name. Because this is getting a little long and we have a lot to do, we're going to skip the date. Today you can fill it out with your mom or your dad and the day of the week, okay? Number 1, we're going to write the number 62. Ready? Slant on down and give it a curl. Slide to the, no, curl around and slide to the right to write the number 62. Next one. Slant on down and give it a curl. Curl around and slide to the right to write the number 62. How many digits are on the line? Count by 2s. Ready? 2, 4, 6. 3 children wore blue mittens to school. Draw the mittens. Okay, 3 kids had mittens. So here's mittens for the first kid. Here's mittens for the second kid. Whoa. Those don't look like great mittens, but that's okay. And the third kid had these mittens. Then it says circle the pair. Remember, a pair is 2. So here's the first pair, second pair, third pair. If you need to push pause, that's just fine. Go ahead and push pause. Number 3, fill in the missing numbers. Okay, here we go. It starts on the bottom at 1. And it goes up to 0, down to, what's next? Sorry. Starts right here at 0, goes up to 1, down to 2. So you're just going to go up 3, down 4, 5, 7. Follow the zigzag. And you're just counting 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, it's kind of a lot, so maybe you need to push pause on that. You can, but you're just starting here at 0, following the zigzag. Watch. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, circle all of the even numbers with a red crayon. Red crayon. Even is when we, let me grab my chart. Even start with 2, and you're skipping every number. So 2, actually 0 is an even number. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So the bottom row is even. Okay. These are minus 2. This is what we talked about. So we're going to use these right up here, okay? So it says 2 minus 2. Well, we already know that, right? 2 minus 2 equals 0. 4 minus 2. 4 take away 2. So we're going to go this direction. 4, the one before 4 is 2. 6 minus 2 equals, go to the even number before it, 4. 8 minus 2 equals, here's the 8. You're going to the even number before it, 6. 10 minus 2 equals 8. See how I'm just skipping to the one before it? Okay, now we're going up to the odds. Top row. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 11 minus 2 equals 9. All right. Number 5. You can push pause if you need to on that one. That's kind of a lot. You can ask your parents to help you with -2. Okay, number 5 spell the word for each number. So right here, 5 goes like this. F-I-V-E. 4. F-O-U-R. 3. T-H-R-E-E. If you need to push pause on this, go right ahead. Parents, if you are listening, we spell out the numbers often. It's important, but we're also going to learn those in sight words in a couple of weeks down the road in a little bit. So we're just doing it to practice, not necessarily to memorize right now at this point, just kind of some practice. Okay, number 6, draw a line of symmetry in each shape. So draw a line that makes it so that each side is equal. So write down the, do you remember? Middle. Then it says color 1/2 of each shape. So you can pick a side, any side, doesn't have to be the same as me. And you're just coloring in one side. Like so. Okay, lots going on today. If you practice and do the other side and bring it back, which looks crazy right now because I used a marker, you'll get a little treat in your next packet. So you can decide if you want to do that. It's up to you. It's just optional, but it's really good practice, and it will help you learn and do the things better. Anytime you see 2 sides, so like tomorrow, the math facts, there's 2 sides to it. So every time you do 2 sides, you get a little extra treat. So there you go. Talk to you soon.